What's going on, everyone? So we have some important info to talk about regarding this next Monday coming up on November 15th. Because if you look through this short interest reporting date, which is the model we built this year, me Frenchie and Hi Ho, we use the settlement dates as measurement because volatility seems to happen on the publication date and the settlement date, or somewhere in between, right? So if you look back historically, this can be proven easily. Now, what's interesting about the 15th of November is it is the only day all year where there are two trade dates that settle. So November 15th is the only time where there are going to be two trade dates that settle. It says here that firms that file their short interest positions via an ASC2 text file should use the trade date of November 10th, 2021 when populating record type 2. So basically, we have two settlement dates piled into one. It's coming up on Monday. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Also, the 2022 short interest dates have been revealed. Let's see if they're off by a day. Yep, so they're off by a day from last year. So the 24th now is the 25th. The 25th is now the 26th. Or I'm sorry, the 27th is now the 26th. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, man. It's interesting shit. So November 15th, man. Mark your calendar. It's coming up.